Hi guys, it's Jason with RPM. Today we're going to be checking out a new product, something we usually don't work on, ATVs. But the Scrambler 1000S, a little exception. It's like a, if you think about it, it's as big as a Razor 800S was back in the day. We thought those were pretty sick. This thing actually has better suspension than that too. So nonetheless, you're probably looking at this thing saying, man, that looks like a stock muffler. It kind of is. We use the stock location, stock heat shields, stock fascias, and the stock tip. What we do is we built a performance muffler that just replaces the OEM restrictive muffler with this guy. This is what the muffler looks like that's on this machine right now. We kind of cover up all the goods with the factory heat shields, tip, and all that. So it remains looking factory. It's not absurdly expensive, and it performs great. So this is what it looks like. What this is a free-flowing 2-inch muffler for the Scrambler 1000S. It sounds awesome. The factory one, a little bit too quiet. Ours, perfect. Here's the catch. It also uses the factory spark arrestor. So direct bolt in, you reuse all your stuff, and voila. It sounds so mean. I know you guys are here, not to hear me talk about it, to hear it. So let's jump on this thing. Let's make some pulls, do some revs, and you can pick one up at RPMSxS.com. All right guys, so that's the factory and the RPM Sport Muffler sound clips. I'm gonna show you real quick how easy this muffler is to install. So starting over here, you've got 2 spring hooks. That's what connects here. We have a spring hook tool you're gonna get as an option on checkout. I recommend it. So you're gonna pull that spring hook and pull the one below it. Simple as that. We're gonna go to the other side and we're gonna remove this 10 mil and that 10 mil, slide this bracket out, and you can simply uninstall your factory muffler. At that time, you're going to uninstall the factory heat shields off your factory muffler, and you're going to reinstall them to the RPM Sport Muffler using the hardware we have provided, applying Loctite to all the nuts and bolts, and reinstall it in that same order. It's that easy. So enjoy it, you guys. We hope you love it.